Welcome to the Redford in the Preserve at Covell in Edmond schools. Today I want to tell you about two really cool features in this home that you might not be aware of just walking through it. And then I want to tell you how you can save $100,000 in payments off of this home. You heard me right. Stay tuned till the end to hear all about it. All right, feature number one is the double fireplace. Yes, you got that right. Check this out. In our nook on this plan, as well as in the great room, you get a fireplace. And with this vaulted ceiling, with the beams, it is a dramatic space. However you're gonna use this space, it's gonna be awesome. Whether you wanted it to just be kind of a sitting area, nook, or full-blown dining room, there's room enough for a table that seats 16 in this space. You're gonna love this feature in the Redford. Feature number two in this Redford is all this cabinet space. We have cabinets going 52 inches. You have so much space in this kitchen. It's actually the most cabinets of any of our floor plans. And last but not least, I wanted to tell you about the incentive we have. This is the single best incentive in the history of Shaw Homes, and that covers 35 plus years. Right now, this home has a $40,000 incentive, which you can, if you're paying cash, you can just take it off the price of the home, or if you're financing, we can pay down your closing costs and we can drop your rate so much so that your payment on this home would be the same payment you would have on a home that is $100,000 less than this one. You heard me right, the payment would be that of a home that costs $100,000 less than this. And that's not just an introductory 1 year or 2 year rate like most of the builders are doing. This is for the entire life of your loan on this home. So call us today. We'll get you into this home or any of our other move-in ready homes.